Hi, I'm Amy Griffiths. I'm the Assistant Site Manager working for Kier on the Coleg y Cymoedd project. I joined Kier in 2010 as a management trainee, and since then, through my studies, I've been able to progress to an Assistant Site Manager. I've been very fortunate to have a strong network of people around me whilst completing my studies, which has no doubt aided my development. I'm looking forward to setting an example for the future generations of Kier trainees. The reason I love my job is that every day is different and I never fully know what to expect. One thing that I'm particularly proud of was receiving the Kier Rising Star Award in 2015. Without the support, help and development from Kier and the training provided to me, I wouldn't have been able to achieve it. I think the relationships that we build on site are key to completing the job to the high standard that we aim for at Kier.